Hey, Vanilla, do you want to spice things up a bit? Are you curious to know what type of questions to ask your partner to better your sex life? Don't even trip, say less. I have 3 groups of questions that can help you out based on how far you're willing to go. That's coming right up. What's going on, guys? If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell before I start pinching my sunburn and start crying like a little bitch. It doesn't work. Wait. This is overexposed. We need to fix this. Okay, so that's much better now. Okay, so that's much better. Let's start off with the basics. You have 3 levels. Let's call it X level, XX level, and XXX level. X level is the basics. You know, nothing too crazy or out there. XX level is a type of questions that make people go, oh, so you're about that life, huh? I see you. XXX level would have them say, oh, so you're that type of freak. I got my handy dandy notes. I'm about to die. Let's start things off with X level. Have you ever sent a freaky text at work? And if so, tell me how it happened. Ever had sex in the back of a car? So choking. Do you like being the one doing it or receiving it? Have you ever had a dirty thought about a stranger, especially on the spot? Tell me about it. Honestly, do you get horny in public? And if so, how do you handle it? What is 2 ways that you love being seduced? What is the most sensitive part of your body? Do you get turned on by dirty talking? If so, give me an example. What is the most flattering compliment someone has ever given you about your body? And now we're on XX level. Would you make a sex tape even though no one saw it? What type of fantasy you've never shared with anyone? Pause real quick. Do not judge them. Whatever fantasy that they're telling you, don't judge them at all. They are being very open and very vulnerable at this point. Unless it's like some real sick shit, then you fucking judge them. You judge them. I'm playing. You don't do that. What is the nastiest thing you've ever done? What type of porn turns you on? And based on how they answer this question, you can do it like a follow-up, especially if you like the same thing. Would you be comfortable watching it with me? Blindfolds. Yay or nay? What's your favorite song that you've always wanted to do it to? And when they answer this question, make sure you're encouraged to make it happen in reality. Be like, all right, you know what? I'm about to smash you. I'm about to play your favorite song. What is a place you've always wanted to do it in? Based on their answers, make sure you make it happen in reality. And if you can't make it happen in reality, you can always reenact it. Have you ever tried sex toys? If not, what piques your interest? You can take their ass to a sex store and go to check out some of the products they have on sale and pick one and have some fun. If you had a sexual to-do list, what would be the #1 thing on that list? What is the most vivid erotic dream you've ever had? And now we go into the freak shit. We in the realm of freakiness at this point. Do you like being tied up or being the one that's doing the tying? Have you ever eaten food off of someone's body? If so, tell me how it happened. If not, would you like to try? Have you ever tried Tantric sex before? And for those of you who don't know what Tantric sex is a very extremely sensual way of lovemaking. Definitely, yo, I should make a video about that. What's your thoughts about BDSM? If they don't know what BDSM is, ask them have they ever seen 50 Shades of Grey. If they haven't seen 50 Shades of Grey, suggest watching the movie with them. They would definitely get a grasp of what BDSM is. How do you want me to touch you? Describe it to me. If you ever had a chance to do a threesome, who would you do it with? If you had to pick between dominatrix and submissive, what would you pick? If we were making love and someone caught us, would you be comfortable continuing or would you stop immediately? That is some good aloe vera water. Stupid. All right, so may I watch you pleasure yourself? That is so direct, but so powerful. Now, I like to use the word may I, because may I is like, you know, you're asking permission, hey, yo, you comfortable? Or I don't like to say can I, because like you can, but you're not gonna do it. Is there anything you won't do in bed? If so, tell me. Oh shit! Okay. I just spit. Fuck. I got some ladies to meet up with, but before I go, let me show you this beautiful view. It's fantastic.